Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and it's been 2 days now that have snow, yesterday and today, and I heard the news that it's gonna be 3 days in a row. And today, so I'm gonna make a video that cooking fried rice. And I'm just, before I do cooking, I'm just gonna show you guys how much snow we get right now. So that's it, but the snow, it's still coming down. We'll see how it goes tomorrow morning when I'm going to work. And let's go now. Let's cook a fried rice. Ingredients for making a fried rice: rice, butter, chicken. Some people, they don't put onions, but I did put some onions in mine. And then frozen carrots and sweet peas, and then soy sauce. And let's start. Okay, our frying pan is hot, so we have to put our butter. Onions. Chicken. We put the rice. like how many 10 years ago. That's so easy. That's it, everybody. That's it, we're done.